The pros and cons of low-fat dieting. Introduction. What is a low-fat diet? Pros. A low-fat diet is a diet that restricts the amount of fat one consumes. This type of diet is typically used by individuals who are overweight or obese. A low-fat diet may be recommended by a physician for other reasons, such as heart disease, diabetes, high blood pressure, or high cholesterol. This type of diet may also be prescribed to help with weight loss. What is a low-fat diet? Cons. The low-fat diet, also known as low-carb, has been around for years and it's not going anywhere anytime soon. It's not the most effective dieting strategy, but it can be helpful for people who are looking to lose weight. Losing weight is an important part of maintaining good health, but what about the negatives? A low-fat diet is not bad for you if you're committed to tracking food intake and exercise. There are many diets out there that will promote quick weight loss with little effort. The problem with these diets is that they usually involve an unhealthy way of life or it's unsustainable in the long term. This could lead to yo-yo dieting, which has negative effects on your metabolism and weight control efforts. Can low-fat diets help you lose weight? Pros. The pros of low-fat diets are that they encourage better eating habits by limiting fats and emphasizing healthy food groups. They also promote weight loss by restricting the number of calories consumed. Some people may also be more inclined to persist with low-fat diets because they can still indulge in high-calorie foods while following the diet. Can low-fat diets help you lose weight? Cons. A low-fat diet is a diet that restricts or eliminates foods containing significant amounts of fat. The goal of such a diet is to improve the eating habits and health of the individual. Some people believe that low-fat diets can help with weight loss, but there are also some who disagree and say that this type of diet doesn't work. The point is that while some people might believe in it, there are also plenty of others who do not think it's effective. Weight loss on a low-fat diet versus ketogenic diet reviewed. Pros. When it comes to losing weight, many people are looking for any kind of diet that can help them lose weight without too much effort. If you want to decide between the low-fat diet and the ketogenic diet, keep watching. The ketogenic diet is a low-carbohydrate, high-fat, moderate protein-based eating plan where the body breaks down fats rather than carbs for energy. It is also known as keto or ketogenic. This way of eating has been found to be effective at promoting long-term weight loss and improving insulin sensitivity, something that other diets have not done as well. Low-fat diets are typically carbohydrate-based with a higher amount of sugar intake. They are not as effective at promoting long-term weight loss because they result in the body breaking down carbs. Weight loss on a low-fat diet versus ketogenic diet reviewed. Cons. The ketogenic diet is a diet that contains high levels of fats, moderate levels of protein and low levels of carbs. This type of diet has been shown to reduce hunger and promote weight loss. This is a review of a study done by the American Medical Association on the ketogenic diet. The study was performed in order to determine the long-term effects of this type of diet on heart health, diabetes risk and cholesterol levels, among other things. The researchers concluded that there was not enough evidence to draw any conclusions about these risks because it had been too difficult for them to conduct this type of research with human participants from the start. In my opinion, given that they have found it difficult or impossible to do clinical trials with humans for this kind of research, I don't. Is it worth it to follow a low-fat dieting plan? A low-fat dieting plan is not always the way to go. You can easily end up overeating on carbohydrates or sugar if you are not careful. The benefits of a low-fat diet include lower cholesterol, reduced risk of heart disease, and weight loss if done correctly. The detriments of a low-fat diet are that it is very hard to keep up with the calories, which can lead to hunger cravings and binging on unhealthy foods. A person may also have trouble maintaining muscle mass because this type of diet lacks some essential nutrients. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next video.